Hello everyone, this is Eric back again with Auto Replay, and we got this QI car wireless charger. So let me show you how it works. So simply put, it's made to work with a lot of different brands like Toyota, BMW, Subaru, Volvo, Mercedes-Benz, Mazda, Audi, Cadillac, Honda, Ford, Chevy, Nissan, and a Tesla. So it's pretty neat. Basically, it plugs into your cigarette lighter, and it's got a USB connection here, and you can set your phone on this little rubber pad, and basically you have a wireless charger. All right, we're gonna go ahead and flip this, and there's the USB connection right there in this little slot here. Y'all can see that with the sun glare. And in here, I've already had this hooked up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab it. This has got the little cigarette lighter, and it's got the USB connection. I'm gonna go ahead and plug that in here, slide that in. Now that's connected, basically you just take it, slide it in place here. Fits nicely snug, and you plug this into your cigarette lighter like so. And then basically whenever the car's on, you press this button, make sure you got a green radio light, and set your your phone here, and it'll charge it wirelessly. Also, there's an additional USB connection here, so you're not really losing anything, because I believe, yeah, this one only has one. Some models do have two USB connections, and there's a USB-C right there. I probably wouldn't have like the on-off switch, but I guess you can turn it off if you wanted to. I mean, I would just leave it on. So it works out well. You can check out these on Amazon. See the link in the description below.